Hey everybody, it's NCP. As you can see, I'm trying to fix this, well, I'm going to organize it. It looks trashy, you know, I don't like hanging things, and so I'm putting everything in wire looms, but I'm going to put the power strip up on the wall here. So let me show you a real simple trick for drilling the holes where you need screws. You could do measurements and all this stuff, and people don't do that, but it'll be close, and people are kind of lazy. Let me show you a neat trick here with painter's tape. So let me get this off and I'll be right back. Okay, I turned the lights on. So we're gonna pull all this stuff out and figure out what we're gonna do later. Let me do this off the camera. All right, so we got the strip here. It's got USB and everything. It's real handy. Like I said, this is all terrible under here. That's a Raspberry Pi there that actually runs the whole audio studio, but theater, I don't know where we're going, I don't know, but we'll get back to that in the next video when I do the tour. But basically you look on the back here, kind of ignore the dog hairs, but you'll see the section for the screws. Let me show you what I do. I just put the tape across there and I mark it, and I'll show you. All right, so it's the thing, you can go like this and see where they're at, the holes. So we'll just mark those, which is this is where we want it, top of the hole. Then we'll just transfer that to the wall and figure out where we want the unit. Now this is about 3 fingers deep because I'm not measuring, so I'll just do it 4 fingers deep and put the hole up there, and that's where we'll do it. So let me figure out where it's going to go. Somewhere in here, and I'll drill it, and it'll be, you know, down, it'll be like a finger off. So yeah, so let me drill the holes and put tape up there and see where we're at. Alright, so there's a middle mark right there, pencil, not Sharpie, because the desk has got 2 pieces, and we want it basically pretty much in the center. That's where it's going to be, the center of the desk. So then I'll pull this off, and we'll fold it in half between the 2 screw points, and we'll line that up with the mark and put that in the mark and put that on the wall. Alright, there we go. It's marked the middle-ish, and it's level enough. I'm not going to go out into, not worth the effort to go downstairs to get it, but I can see where to drill the holes now, and it'll be right there. And it's folded between the white point, or the actual dots, not the indentation that left. So let me just drill that real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, easy peasy, got our holes now. When I pull it off, it'll literally mark, ish, oh well, ish, it'll mark. And let me get some screws in there and just slick it on. Alright. I purposely used the wrong screws here. Drywall screws would have been, well, I don't know if that's right or not. Drywall screws would have been best, but I'm not going downstairs to get them. And the heads are probably too big for the back of this, so let's go ahead and just put that on, see if it fits. And let me see if I can do this one-handed. Probably not, because that's not how the universe works here. Wow. First time, got it. That is not level. But it is very, very stable. There. Level enough. So that's it. I'm going to go do the rest of the work on this I need to do, and the routing and wire loom and tie all this stuff up. It's terrible, but that's how you do it real easy. And a professional would have got a level. That's off by probably 1/4 inch, and I can live with that because I can't see it. So, all right. Anyway, guys, NCP, and I kind of just need a video for today. Please subscribe to the other channel. You know, it's the Singularity Codex. So I'm trying to work on my voice and be better when I talk. So there we go. All right, so let me get this stuff up, and then I'll do another one about the station and what it looks like, I guess, or the audio station. And like I said, it's all ran by Raspberry Pi. So very, very quiet. Assuming I didn't have a refrigerator behind me, you know, with a compressor. But other than that, it's very quiet. All right, I'll see you in this video. You guys have a good one. NCP, rate and subscribe to both channels. Yeah, have a good one, guys.